Microsoft changed the look of planner cards. Now, here's the reason why that's interesting.
This is only the beginning. Well, it probably is only the beginning because this is only active on basic plans currently. So let's take a look at my day in Planner. Here we see that I'm recording this video. I'll create some nice thumbnails and titles afterwards, and I'll publish it. So that's what I'm going to do today. So the first thing that changed for us, that's in the create a plan. Creating a new plan now has this new interface. It looks much sleeker, where we have a basic plan, where we have a premium plan, and we can even start from templates. Now, these are just the normal templates that we've always had. They just have a better spot in Planner. So, basic plan, create basic plan, or I will start from a premium plan because I already have a basic plan here. So let's start from a premium plan. I'll call this premium example in the project corner. Create premium plan. Ooh, that's lovely. Let's try that again. Ta-da! All right. So in here, we're presented with a grid view. We also have the board view, timeline view, everything we know and love from Premium. On this account, I do not have a Copilot license. So there's a slight difference on what you might see if you do have a Copilot license. One of the things that you'll miss on this page is that nice little Copilot icon on the bottom right. I have a separate video on that. Let's create a task and let's see how that task looks in a premium plan. I can open that in side pane, or I can open that in a center view. Now, this is the old way of looking at a task or the task information, right? We had a checklist, task item 1, and we could even promote those to actual tasks. We could add a note, and here it is above. That's a hint to what has changed. And we have a conversation if we added this to a Teams channel. So this is the premium way of looking at cards or tasks. Now let's take a look at what happened in a basic plan, because things have changed. Now take a look at the new visuals and take a look at the task that I created here already, or I could navigate to the board and just create a new task here. The second task, if I double click on it, I get presented with the new view. Now, why should you care about this new view? They simplified navigation. One of the things that I noted was that checklists is on the bottom here. Now, in the blog article, it is actually a separate tab as well, which is very nice as well. So what we have is a task chat. And task chat is new in basic plans. This is not connected to Teams, but it is connected to Outlook. And I can directly interact with anyone on the team, or just anyone in my organization for that matter. There we go. Miriam is now aware of this task, even though she's not a part of this team. I can still do the same things that I could do in a task. There's not much that has changed there. I can, however, remove the task chat by clicking on this button here and have more real estate available to me. Now remember that notes was on top previously. Now it is on the bottom down here. Another thing that has changed is that we now can connect to a goal. And we don't need to navigate away from the page, which is excellent. So now we can create new goals right from the task and just move forward. We've connected it to a new goal right now. Labels are still the same. And I can still assign this to other resources as well. One of the things I really like is that everything is on a single page and we don't need to navigate by scrolling because everything is in tabs now. As you'll see, let's try this, where the checklist, if I add more lines to the checklist, maybe then it will open up in a different tab, but I'm a bit hesitant. No. So the checklist, let me open that from the blog article. The checklist here has a different section, so it is even cleaner in that sense. What we have here is our attachments as being a separate tab. I really like the new view of the cards. It is clean. It's a nice new modernization of our application, and I really like that. So with that, I can return to my day and I can say that I've recorded this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, consider subscribing and liking this video, sharing it with all your friends, and I hope to see you next time.